There comes a moment in every person's life when forward movement feels slow, heavy, or completely blocked. You wake up, follow the same routines, repeat the same thoughts, and live the same emotional patterns, yet deep inside you sense that something is wrong. Not broken, but unfinished. Not failed, but underused. This feeling is the silent call to reinvest yourself. Reinvesting yourself does not mean abandoning who you are. It means recognizing who you have become and consciously choosing who you want to evolve into. Most people misunderstand reinvention as a dramatic external change, such as switching careers, moving cities, or starting something new. In reality, reinvestment begins internally, long before the outer world notices any difference. To reinvest yourself, you must first understand why you feel stuck. Stagnation does not happen overnight. It develops slowly through ignored dreams, postponed decisions, repeated compromises, and fear-based comfort. You once had curiosity, hunger, and ambition, but over time, survival replaced growth. Responsibilities piled up, failures bruised your confidence, and comparison drained your self-belief. Eventually, you stopped asking what you truly wanted and started asking what was safe. This is not weakness, it is human conditioning. Society rewards predictability, not transformation. But the cost of staying predictable is internal decay. Reinvestment starts with awareness. You cannot change what you refuse to see. Awareness means honestly examining your current identity, your habits, beliefs, emotional reactions, routines, and self-talk. Ask yourself who you are when no one is watching. Are your daily actions aligned with the future you secretly desire, or are they designed only to avoid discomfort? Most people live on autopilot, repeating yesterday while hoping for a different tomorrow. Reinvesting yourself requires breaking this loop. Letting go is the first real investment. You must release outdated identities that no longer serve you. The version of you that once helped you survive may now be limiting your growth. Holding on to old labels, past failures, or outdated self-images keeps you trapped. Growth demands the courage to say, "This version of me has expired." Letting go is painful because the familiar feels safe, even when it is destructive. But transformation has never been comfortable. Comfort is the enemy of evolution. Fear is the silent tax you pay for not reinvesting in yourself. Fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of starting again, fear of not being good enough. These fears are not signs to stop. They are signals that you are standing at the edge of growth. Courage is not the absence of fear, but the decision to move forward despite it. Every meaningful reinvention begins with uncertainty. If you wait to feel ready, you will wait forever. Once you release what no longer serves you, you must rebuild from the inside out. Mindset is your primary asset. Your thoughts shape your emotions, and your emotions drive your actions. A stagnant life is often the result of a stagnant mindset. To reinvest yourself, you must consciously upgrade how you think. This means replacing limitation-based thinking with growth-oriented beliefs. Instead of asking, "Can I do this?" start asking, "What would it take?" This shift alone opens doors you never noticed before. Self-discipline is not punishment, it is self-respect in action. People often wait for motivation to change, but motivation is unreliable. Discipline is what carries you forward when motivation disappears. Reinvesting yourself requires daily commitments, even when progress feels invisible. Small, consistent actions compound into massive transformation over time. You do not need to overhaul your life overnight. You need to show up every day, especially when it feels pointless. Emotional healing is a critical yet often ignored part of reinvestment. You cannot build a new future while carrying unresolved emotional wounds. Past disappointments, betrayals, regrets, and unexpressed grief drain your energy and distort your decisions. Healing does not mean forgetting the past. It means learning from it without letting it define you. Emotional maturity allows you to respond instead of react, to choose growth over ego,
and clarity over chaos. Reinvesting yourself also means redefining success. Many people chase external validation, money, status, approval, only to feel empty after achieving it. True success is alignment between your values and your actions. When your daily life reflects what you genuinely care about, fulfillment becomes natural. This alignment requires deep self-reflection. What matters to you beyond survival? What kind of life would feel meaningful even if no one applauded? Skill development is another powerful form of self-investment. The world rewards value, not intention. If you want to increase your opportunities, income, or influence, you must increase your skills. Learning is no longer optional, it is survival in a rapidly changing world. But learning must be intentional. Do not collect information without application. Knowledge only becomes power when used. Choose skills that align with your future vision, not just what is trendy. Financial reinvestment begins with mindset before money. If you believe money is scarce, evil, or unattainable, you will unconsciously repel it. Financial growth requires understanding value creation. Money flows towards those who solve problems, provide solutions, and improve lives. Reinvesting yourself financially means upgrading how you think about income, time, and effort. Stop trading time for money blindly and start building assets, skills, systems, and relationships that generate long-term value. Daily routines are the infrastructure of transformation. Your habits either reinforce your past or build your future. A powerful morning routine sets the tone for your entire day. How you start your day determines how you respond to challenges. Reinvesting yourself does not require extreme routines, it requires intentional ones. Reading, reflection, movement, and planning create mental clarity and emotional stability. Nights are equally important. Reflection before sleep helps you measure progress and course correct without self-judgment. Consistency is where most people fail, not because they lack ability, but because they underestimate boredom. Transformation is not exciting every day. Many days feel repetitive, slow, and unrewarding. Those who succeed are not more talented, they are more patient. They understand that progress often feels invisible before it becomes undeniable. Staying consistent when no one is watching is the ultimate form of self-investment. You must also learn to manage your environment. Your environment influences your behavior more than your willpower. If your environment supports distraction, negativity, or complacency, reinvestment becomes harder. This includes digital environments. What you consume daily, content, conversations, media, shapes your thinking. Be ruthless about protecting your mental space. Growth requires boundaries. Reinventing yourself means accepting responsibility without self-blame. Responsibility gives you control. Blame takes it away. When you stop blaming circumstances, people, or the past, you reclaim your power. Responsibility does not mean everything is your fault. It means everything is your opportunity to respond differently. This mindset shift alone can radically change your life. Over time, reinvestment creates identity change. You no longer force habits, they become natural. You no longer chase confidence, it becomes embodied. You no longer seek permission, you act with clarity. This is the reward of long-term self-investment. But reinvention is not a destination, it is a lifestyle. You will outgrow versions of yourself repeatedly, and each time you must choose growth again. The greatest mistake people make is waiting for a perfect moment to change. There is no perfect time. There is only now. Reinvesting yourself is not about becoming someone else. It's about becoming more of who you were always capable of being. The moment you decide to invest your time, energy, focus, and belief into yourself, your life begins to shift, slowly at first, then all at once. If this video helped you, like it, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more content on self-growth and reinvention.